viewers, my name is Charmaine and this is Glam Alert. Today I'm going to show you an easy way to do your makeup using only cheap products, okay? So we're gonna start off by priming our face. I use the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Mattifying Primer that I got from Clicks, and this is a game changer. If you know you have oily skin, you have to try this. Moving on to prepping our eyebrows, I use the eyebrow soap that I got from Shein to brush our eyebrow going up. Once that is out of the way, you're gonna take your translucent powder and make sure you mattify that eyebrow, okay? This is to avoid any oils and make it easier for you to draw your eyebrows. Yes, don't be scared. So now we're gonna get our eyebrow gel and start by drawing a line under the eyebrow, following the shape of our eyebrow. And once that is done, we're gonna go ahead and draw another line on top of our eyebrow. Make sure you're following the shape of your natural eyebrow. Once you have that, you're gonna start filling in your eyebrows stroke by stroke, very lightly. See how I'm taking my time, bestie? Yes, don't rush. Take your time, relax, you will get this. So now we're gonna do the same thing to the other eyebrow. Using our Million Pauline Nude Waterproof Gel Eyeliner, we're gonna start off by drawing a line under our eyebrow, following the shape of our eyebrow, remember. Once you're done with the top line, you're gonna start filling in your eyebrow again using very light strokes. Yes, make sure you check if your eyebrows are looking like sisters, okay? Don't make them look like distant cousins, please. Just try, babe. So now get your spoolie and brush that eyebrow. Make it look as natural as possible. Now using our lighter concealer, we're going to shape our eyebrow starting from the back. I used my V Beauty concealer, which is 2 shades lighter than me. For our eyebrows to look as natural as possible, we're going to use our foundation to clean up the front of our eyebrow. You really have to take your time while doing this and make sure your line is almost straight, okay? Now let's drag down that product and blend it out. You're gonna take a fluffier brush and blend everything out and make sure you have no harsh lines. Blending is very crucial when it comes to makeup, so make sure you blend everything out before moving on to the next step. Once you're done with the bottom part, you're gonna take your foundation and clean up the top of the eyebrow. I used my Silvermark foundation in shade Honeycomb. This is a Nigerian brand that I love so much. The foundation blends so well into the skin, and if you have oily skin just like me, you've got to try it out. Don't be afraid to go back to the other eyebrow and fix everything that you think needs to be fixed. Try by all means to make them look the same. And blend as much as you can. Guys, blending is very important when it comes to makeup, like I mentioned before. Now moving on to foundation, I used my Silvermark foundation in shade Honeycomb. And I start off by applying it using a flat brush before I start blending it out. Using our foundation brush, we're gonna blend as much as we can and try to make it look as seamless as possible. Don't leave any harsh lines. Blend. Take your time and blend. Just look at that. So moving on to our concealer, I used my Fit Me concealer to conceal the inner corner and the outer corner of our eyes. We can add our concealer on our nose to reverse contour our nose and make it look slimmer. Once you're done highlighting your face in all those places that you want to be highlighted, you're gonna take your fluffy brush and start blending. Blend, guys. Blending is very important. Don't move on to the next step without blending properly. And when you're blending your under eye, make sure you look up, okay? Just do it. You're gonna look funny, but do it. You don't want your under eyes crazy. So make sure you look up and blend that concealer, babe. You can skip the step if you'd like, but I really love a bright under eye. I use my Beauty concealer in the shade V30, which is like 3 shades lighter than my complexion. I also applied it on my eyelid, since we're not applying any eyeshadow today, so just got to brighten up that eyelid. Make sure you blend as much as you can, okay? And using our translucent powder, we're going to use a powder puff and dust off the excess on the back of our hand to avoid cakiness and start setting our face. Now using our Essence Blush Crash, we're gonna blush out those cheeks. You can use any other blush that you have or any other product that can substitute every product that I used in this video. It doesn't have to be the same product. Now I'm using my color powder to just set the rest of my face and bring back some color. Here I'm just baking my face to further highlight my under eye. If you're a beginner, you don't need to do this. You can skip the step. Here's a quick little tip for you, bestie. If you want your eyelashes to stick all day and stick like magnet, you better apply your eyelash glue on both your eyelid and your eyelash strap. Trust me, this is gonna be a game changer for you. So this is how I apply my lashes now, and I'm just buffing out that excess loose powder while I wait for my glue to clear up. To apply your eyelash, put your mirror down and look down into it, and place your eyelash as close as possible to your natural lash line. It's going to be easy, especially after applying glue on both ends. It's going to be like magnets, trust me. Now you're gonna use your black eyeliner to line your waterline, or a brown one if you prefer. I used my Pauline Million in color black. if you have sensitive eyes, please be careful, don't hurt yourself. Now I'm going in with my hydrating mist. You can use any setting spray to do this. This is just to lock everything in and make sure your makeup doesn't move. Now get your mascara and make sure your eyelashes don't look dusty. Now moving on to our lips, we're gonna take our brown eyeliner and line our lips. Now I'm going over my lip liner with my lipstick from Beauty. You can use any color of your choice. I used maroon. Then we're gonna go ahead and add our lip gloss. As you'll notice, I didn't apply lipstick in the center of my lips, and that's because I like the color of my natural lips. But if you prefer applying another color in the center of your lips, go ahead and then top it off with a lip gloss. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe.